stay music. Drex Kiddo never failed me yet, never failed me yet. Jesus' love has never failed me yet. This one thing I know, that wherever I may go, Jesus' love has never failed.